Welcome to today's class.
Today, we are looking at Ohm's law, Ohm's triangle, and we'll be solving calculations on them. Let's take a look at a simple circuit made up of a battery, connecting wires, connecting them to the resistor. The battery produces the potential difference in volts. We'll use V for that. For the current measured in amperes, we'll be using I for the current, and then the resistance, we'll use R for that. So this is a simple circuit showing the battery, the connecting wires, and then the resistor. This is just a simple circuit. For the Ohm's triangle, V for voltage in volts, I for current in amperes, and R for the resistance in ohms. Inside the triangle, we have a T shape. We'll take the horizontal line as division and the vertical line as multiplication, such that if we are looking for, let's say we are looking for V, the unknown, if we are looking for I, if we are looking for R, this is how we are going to do it. If we are looking for V, then V will be I times R. Remember, the vertical line is for multiplication. And if we are looking for I, it will be V over R. And then if we are looking for the resistance R, you cover the R, then you have V all over I. So with this, you easily remember. Ohm's law gives the relationship between the current passing through a wire and the potential difference between the ends of the wire. Hence, we can state Ohm's law as the current passing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. The current passing through a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. And remember that there are ohmic conductors and non-ohmic conductors. Conductors that obey Ohm's law are called ohmic conductors. Non-ohmic conductors are conductors that do not obey Ohm's law. Examples are diodes, transistors, rectifiers, and gases. They are non-ohmic conductors. They do not obey Ohm's law. So let's take the calculations and solve simple questions. What voltage is necessary to produce a current of 200 amperes through a resistance of 100 volts? Let's pick all the parameters that we need. We are given that the what voltage, so voltage is what we are looking for. V is the unknown. We'll put a question mark. Then what we are giving, current I is given as 200 amperes. What again is giving through a resistance R is given as 100 ohms. So now that we have all this, remember we are using V is equal to IR so that we can get the voltage V. V is equal to IR. So we use current 200, that will be 200 times the R, which is 100 ohms, and that will, our final answer will be 20,000. Please remember the units. Remember is V, so we have to write 20,000 volts. For example 2, what resistance would produce a current of 120 amperes from a 6-volt battery. Let's start by writing all that we are given. What resistance? So R is the unknown. What resistance would produce a current? Current is giving us 120 amperes from a 6-volt battery. Battery is giving us 6 volts. So remember, we are looking for R. Therefore, R is equal to V over I. Please remember the triangle. When you are looking for R, you cover the R so that you have V over I. So R is what we are looking for. So R is equal to V over I. V, we have 6, that's 6 over I, which is 120. Then our final answer will be 0.05. Remember, R is in ohms. You write. Always remember the unit. Units are very important in physics. Without the units, you will not get your complete score for a particular question. Please don't forget the unit. For question number 3, what is the current produced with a 9-volt battery through a resistance of 100 ohms? So let's write out all the parameters we are given and then look for the unknown. We are looking for the current, so we can use question mark for the current produced with a 9-volt battery. The voltage is 9 volts through a resistance R is 100 ohms. So we are looking for the current. And remember the triangle. Please always remember, we have V here, we have I here, we have R. So we are looking for I. If we cover the I, we will have I to be V over R. So let's use the formula V over R to find the current. So the current we are looking for, I, is equal to V over R. V is 9, R is 100. So we are going to have our final answer to be 0.09 amperes. Please always remember the units. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification, like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you. See you in the next class.